herb glazed, braised beef brisket, root vegetables, low and slow comfort, glossy finish. Today, I'm walking you from sear to serve, so you can set it, forget it, and still look like a hero at dinner. Start with a 4 or 5 pound beef brisket. Pat it dry like you mean it, then season aggressively with kosher salt and lots of cracked black pepper, edges too. Film a heavy pan with neutral oil over medium-high heat until it shimmers. Sear the brisket on all sides until deep brown and crusty, about 4 or 5 minutes per side. Don't rush it. That crust is flavor. Transfer the brisket to a braising pan or your slow cooker. In the same pan, add quartered onions, big chunks of celery and carrots, and a whole head of garlic sliced horizontally. Season with a pinch of salt. Roast and toss until lightly caramelized. Think golden edges, 6 to 8 minutes. Those go in with the brisket. Deglaze the hot pan with a generous cup of dry red wine. Scrape up all the browned bits. That's free flavor. Add 2-3 cups beef stock, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, 2 tablespoons ketchup, a small handful of golden raisins, a few sprigs of thyme, 2 bay leaves, 2 whole cloves, 3 allspice berries, and 1 to 2 teaspoon dill seed. Stir, bring to a simmer, taste, and adjust salt. Pour this over the brisket and vegetables. Liquid should come halfway to 2/3 up the meat. Add stock if needed. For the oven, cover tightly and go low and slow at 300 degrees. For a slow cooker, low setting. Either way, you're looking at 4 to 6 hours until a fork slides in with no resistance. At the 3-hour mark, flip the brisket. If the top looks dry, baste with the liquid. When it's tender, carefully lift the brisket to a board and rest, tented, 20-30 minutes. Fish out the bay leaves, cloves, and allspice. Now for the herb glaze. Ladle the braising liquid into a saucepan, leave the veg behind. Bring it to a lively simmer and reduce by about 1/3 until it's glossy and lightly coats the back of a spoon. If you want extra shine, whisk in a knob of cold butter at the end. Taste, salt, pepper, a splash of wine or stock to balance. Slice the brisket against the grain into thick, confident slices. If it's crumbling, it's perfect. Go a touch thicker. Nestle the slices back into the pan with the vegetables, spoon that herb-studded glaze over the top, and let everything mingle for 5 minutes on low heat or a warm oven pass. Serve with the carrots, celery, onions, and those sweet little raisins that now taste like they went to culinary school. Spoon over more glaze. Finish with fresh thyme leaves or chopped parsley for a pop of green. Tips: if you're cooking ahead, chill the whole thing, then slice cold for cleaner cuts and reheat slices in the reduced liquid. Got leftover glaze? It's phenomenal on mashed potatoes or crusty bread. That's herb-glazed braised beef brisket with root vegetables. Simple steps, big flavors, and a sauce that does the heavy lifting. Save this for your next cozy weekend or a weeknight when the slow cooker's doing the work while you don't. Enjoy.